Hey everyone, today we are going to learn how to export your edited images from image cut perfectly for any social media platform, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. So let's just get started. For that, let's head over to Canva. You can go over to your browser and go over to canva.com. And once you're into canva.com, you can log in into your account if you're not logged in yet. After that, you can start editing out your images. So look out for this create option, head over there, and you can select the option for custom size and select up your ratio. For example, this one right here. Once we choose up the ratio in order to export your edited images from image cut for social media platform, what you can do is you can choose up the ratio for your social media platform. So for example, let's say this is the canvas that you are using. So you can go ahead and edit it out. So you can go over and select the option for uploads and upload the kind of media that you want to upload in the section right here. After that, you may go over to tool section, projects, etc., and edit out the particular image or image that you would like to post on your social media platform. Now, in order to export it, there are different kind of file format available. You can just go over and use those export options that you wanna export once your image is edited. So for that, you can look out for the share option at the top right corner and click on it. And once you click on it, you will be finding this particular section right here. You can look out for this option called download and head over there and open it up. Once you open it up here, you just need to select up your file type that you would like to export. So select up your file type. And once you select up your file type, right here, when you select up your file type here, you'll be finding different options available. You can choose the file type that you prefer. So if you want to use JPEG, which is best for sharing, but if you have any kind of background, you can use PNG. For now, let's head over and select up the JPEG option, and you can select up the size ratio. So you can go over and resize for platforms. For Instagram, it is 1080 into 1080. So you can just go and look out for that and apply the changes. Similarly, for Instagram story, it is 1080 to 9020. Facebook post 1200 to 630, etc. You can just go ahead and look out for that and look out for the quality, etc. Once you do so, you can limit the file size. So you can go over and compress the image automatically as well, because some of the platforms compress images. So you can use high quality PNG if possible. Once you do so, you can click on this option called download or export and confirm it up. And you can save it to your computer or device in a clearly named folder, for example, Instagram or images. And you can just go over and find your image. If needed, you can just go over and repeat the export for each of the platform with specific dimensions, and that's it. Now you have successfully exported your edited images from image cut for any of the social media platform. So thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.